Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a short video on a review of parts and installation for the new eRapta model EM43 frame-mounted backup camera with a 5-inch color monitor. The box comes with all the parts you need. Comes with a monitor, the ring for your license plate with the camera, 26-foot RCA video cable. All the instructions come with it, very easy to follow. The 5-inch color monitor comes with its own mount. I have it mounted down low, but you can mount it on your dash or on the overhead. I prefer it down here. It's kind of out of the way. It's really your choice. It comes with a menu button on the back, and that's to control the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, and the tint. So if you don't like the factory settings, you can adjust them from here. It comes with a power cord, which I have plugged into a power source, and just one wire goes down to the monitor, and that's it. On the back of this power source plug, it's got a USB port, and it's lit, so you can plug in whatever you need into the back of that. I like that feature. I'm happy to see that. So I've got the camera mounted, so let's put it in reverse and take a look at it. And right off the bat, I like the picture. The picture's very, very clear. The color's good. I like the reversing guidelines here on both sides. Those are nice. It says in the manual that if you don't like those, you can eliminate those. You just cut one wire by the reversing camera and they're gone. But I kind of like them. I'm going to leave those. Gives me a good reference. Alright, let's go in the back and we'll look at the camera. So here's the camera at the back. It's a metal frame, easily mounted. It's got one wire up here that comes off the camera. That just gets connected into your power at the reversing. Simple connection. The frame is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It's got a 170-degree angle view, infrared night vision, and the camera is also waterproof. It has 5 lenses and 1 filter lens. It also has 6 powerful infrared lights that present a clear image during the dark. Easy to install. It took me about 30 minutes to install this on my full-size pickup truck. All I needed was some electrical tape and a pair of wire cutters. It was very simple. Overall, I like this product. I'm happy with what I got, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.